Have you ever wondered what are the essential items in a man's wardrobe? Well, one of the first steps to becoming a smart dresser is to have a solid foundation of essential wardrobe items. These items are versatile, timeless, and form the backbone of a well-curated wardrobe. Now, what exactly are these essentials? Let's delve in. A crisp white dress shirt is a must-have. It's a classic piece that can be dressed up or down, making it extremely versatile. T-shirts in neutral colors like black, white, and gray are also essential. These can be paired with just about anything and work for both casual and smart casual looks. A pair of well-fitted jeans is another wardrobe staple. Whether you prefer a straight or slim fit, a good pair of jeans can take you from day to night. Chinos are also a great addition, offering a smart casual alternative to jeans. For a more formal touch, a blazer or sports jacket is necessary. It can instantly elevate an outfit and works for both business and social events. And of course, a man's wardrobe would be incomplete without the right footwear. A pair of dress shoes for formal occasions and casual sneakers for the weekend are a must. For a touch of sophistication, consider adding polo shirts, crew neck, and V-neck sweaters to your wardrobe. And if your lifestyle demands it, neutral-colored suits are a must-have. Building a versatile wardrobe that can transition between casual, business casual, and formal occasions is key. This means selecting timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched. Remember, the goal is to create a wardrobe that can adapt to various settings and occasions. It's also crucial to prioritize quality over quantity. Though investing in well-made, durable items might seem more expensive initially, it pays off in the long run. These pieces tend to last longer and withstand trends. Now, even the most basic wardrobe items can look stylish and polished when they fit well. Therefore, tailoring and proper fit are of utmost importance. Don't shy away from getting your clothes tailored to ensure they complement your body shape. And remember, while these essentials provide a solid foundation, it's important to adapt them to reflect your personal style. Accessories, color choices, and styling can add a unique touch to these classic pieces, allowing you to express your individuality. Seasons also play a role in your wardrobe. During colder months, layering becomes important, and for warmer seasons, lighter fabrics are key. The trick is to transition seamlessly between seasons with versatile pieces. Building a wardrobe doesn't have to break the bank. There are budget-friendly options out there. Shopping during sales, exploring thrift stores, and prioritizing key items over trends can help you find affordable yet high-quality essentials. Lastly, consider the concept of a capsule wardrobe. This consists of a curated selection of essential items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. It promotes simplicity and reduces decision fatigue. To sum up, essential wardrobe items for men include a white dress shirt, neutral-colored t-shirts, well-fitted jeans, chinos, a blazer or sports jacket, dress shoes, casual sneakers, polo shirts, crew neck and V-neck sweaters, and possibly neutral-colored suits. Remember to prioritize quality over quantity, ensure proper fit, adapt essentials to your personal style, consider seasonal adjustments, and explore budget-friendly options. With these essentials, you're well on your way to building a versatile and stylish wardrobe.